Hey, good morning. Mm-mm-mm. I've been. Why does this look fucking perfect blue? Uh, I have been back testing on just TradingView with one con for like 2 weeks now, and I'm at 20K. So we're just gonna do a quick little back testing session. This is kind of we're coming from a new week opening gap. We have that hourly. We have these nice lows down here. We got lows down there. We got a 5 minute or 15 minute up here. All right, I'm looking for shorts down at those lows, and then we'll see what happens. So we gotta have market open. All right, market open. Do we tap that little 15 minute? We got a CISD. What time is it? 9:44. Oh, all right. Let's give shorts here a shot. Okay, see, that's when it fucking. I meant to give shorts here. This isn't cheating, by the way, because I did say let's give shorts a shot here, and I'm targeting these lows. Stop at this high. Sell. Go to the next candle, and it just spawns down. Bam. I didn't set my TP or my stop loss. Right there, and then TP's down here for a calm little. And all the trades that I've been taking are like this. And we could go break even here. Okay, let's see what happens. All right, break even. See, it's not fucking easy. A calm little 4 risk to reward. Chat. And I've been taking this is recording, right? Because that's unbelievable. I've been taking trades like this for the past 3 weeks, and I've won every trade, but I had 3 losses. Two of them were actual, like, okay, like I'll accept those losses. And then one of the losses, but I was just like, dude, fuck it. but it's kind of dark in my room. I have another loss of words. What was I gonna say? Um, but yeah, chat. So I've been doing this since yesterday, and I think this is like my third or fourth week, because I started at what's before April? February? January, February, March. No, I started in March, and it's April 16th. So it's been over a month actually. And I'm at 22 grand, and I've been catching like 4 or 5 risk to reward ratios, and I've been fucking cooking. April 17th. I want to continue this backtesting thing on my on my own time later. But for now, let's delete these drawings and let's get out of replay mode because today's a trading day. Today's Monday. I wonder if it'll show. No, it doesn't show shit. All right, whatever. This is where price is right now. Just to prove to you guys and myself that I know how to fucking trade. We have PMI at 10 o'clock and nothing tomorrow. So let's start off on the monthly only because I think we're coming from a monthly fair value gap. We are. Okay, okay, okay. We might create a weekly bullish here. Now, long time frame wise, I am bullish. I do think this monthly gap is going to get disrespected. Um, I do think we're going to disrespect this monthly gap. That'll be in a month, so zooming back in, maybe we kind of, I don't know, because we do have this weekly SMT. ES failed to take this high and NQ did. So I do think at least today, let me mark it up. We have this daily low and we have this daily high. Maybe today and tomorrow we put in the high of the week, and then the rest of the week we go down. But we leave enough room to go down for a weekly fair value gap. I don't know. Daily high, daily low. I don't know. Let me delete these because these are messy. All right, we got that. We got weekly levels and we got daily levels. We can. This is where that SCT is. All right. Let's scale in a little bit more. I mean, the daily's going up. All right. On a 4 hour, we did disrespect. I don't know if I'm counting that as bullish gap. We're in this bullish gap, but yet we have this bullish gap. So it's kind of like, oh, where do we want to go? We don't have a, oh, we do have it on the ends. Okay. I'm not really seeing anything that's really crazy sticking out to me. Let's scale in a little bit more. See what Asia and London did. Asia opened up down, came back up, filled in the imbalance it created. London, we've been going down, and going into New York, kind of moving sideways. Okay. That's London high, and I'm gonna say this is Asia high only because there's like barely any wick candle. Want the same shit on here. This is what I do every morning, chat. But lately I've been doing it off stream, but we're doing it on stream. We got that Asia high with no wick, it looks like, and then this is that London high. So on the hour, we are going down. However, we move down from this external area to this internal area, and this is an hourly gap. So we could be potentially looking for longs. I'm not gonna lie, at least to Asia and London high. That's kind of how I'm feeling. I'm not gonna lie. I do want to put this here, 1 hour FVG, and I want to say it's red. There's no fair value gap there. Because on the 15-minute, we're kind of moving sideways. This is a 4 hour fair value gap and an hourly fair value gap. However, we're still going down on this is kind of 50-50. I'm not gonna lie. I want to see what price does. I'm kind of leaning towards taking longs at least until Asia and London high though. Because if we are gonna get a reversal higher, it's gonna be here. Like we're accumulating, we need some a manipulation leg maybe down and then distribution to the upside. Because if we go lower, I think the rest of the coming days we're gonna be pretty fucking bearish. At least until down here. But that's well, it's only 100 points. We'll see what price does. If we tank, I'll be probably looking for longs out of here. And if we go up from here, I'll be looking for longs here to at least 8. So, but we're probably gonna wait until 10 o'clock. Yeah. I'm gonna see you guys when market opens and I see something. So I'll see you guys then. Sorry, I've been watching my boy Max's stream. I'm chilling. It's currently 10:16. I didn't take anything yet. Now I'm not gonna say price is not moving. I mean we are moving, and we did take out London and Asian high here. However, I'm watching a few people's live streams just because I like to be in the trading communities, you know. And I'm looking, and like people are in shorts right here. People are in longs. Longs wasn't bad. Like I personally would have entered here if we got an inverse. But as you could see, technically this is not an inverse, and we inversed it all the way up here, 11 points away, and this is news, or it's 5 minutes before news. Actually, never mind. But we inversed it by way too much for me to enter, and we took out London and Asian high, and then like this wasn't bad, and I'm thinking like whenever this happens, and you're rounding this about, if we get a strong candle like this one right here, you could enter with stops relatively tight at that previous low because you shouldn't expect price to come back down. So like you could have taken that, but that's pretty risky, especially since we were respecting the 15-minute and the hourly at the time. I think we were at least. Yeah, we were. So that's why I didn't take anything yet. We took out London and Asia and we came back down. We really don't have any fair value gaps to the left anymore. Um, we do have a 30 minute too, actually. But and we do have this hourly. So I'm thinking if price does want to go higher, we're gonna tap this hourly fair value gap. However, if I see a long setup, I will take it. And a long setup to me personally would be this 2 minute. I was gonna say this 2 minute inverse, but it's doing it very slowly. So I don't really know if I'm gonna take that. Um, but people are in shorts, and I'm like, I don't know why you're shorting yet. It's like relatively early. I was personally waiting to see 5 minute structure to the downside. Because right now the 5 minute is still up. The 15 minute is still up. The hourly is technically down, but like there's no time frame alignment. 5 minutes up, 3 minute was always up, 2 minute is always up. The 1 minute though was down, but slowly reclaiming it. Like this guy's probably stopped out.
Amongst the other.
Yeah, he's about to be, and it's gonna hit a stop. This guy, fucking, he lost. How's this guy doing? He didn't take a trade yet. I personally don't see anything. Now you could. Oh, actually, we didn't inverse it yet. But I wouldn't take this because we inversed it kind of shittily. Oh, this 1 minute wasn't bad, but you could have maybe entered here. Stops like down there. I'll probably do something like that, targeting here, but this is a negative on so like I don't see anything. Like especially since we took out London and Asian, we came back within the range, and then we're just kind of moving sideways. So holy shit, I have a final today. Um, so I didn't take a trade yet. I'm not really upset either that I didn't take a trade. Actually, this long right here wasn't bad. The only thing is we didn't inverse this candle at 9:54. If we did, oh yeah, fuck yeah, enter. Right here, we had no fair value gap on it, yes. So yeah, I mean I'm gonna see you guys later. I'm not really seeing anything. I'm probably gonna come back in the PM session, which I really don't want to do because I don't really like trading in PM. But we're respecting that 2 minutes. So, but we're gonna have to probably because I'm not gonna take a trade in 20 minutes. Actually, I might. We'll see. I'll see. We'll see what happens. But no trades yet. Price action's a little funky. As of right now, I am still bullish up until this hourly fair value gap. And unless price action, dictates otherwise. But as of right now, this is not the 1 minute, but like the 5 minute and the 3 minute. It's all bullish. So look at this on the 3 minute. Like, what the fuck? I'm gonna see you guys later. All right, chat, real quick, so I can, try and keep this shit. I'm at a loss for words. I don't know. To keep you guys updated and myself, because I actually watch my own videos. I didn't take a trade, not yet. I was scouting out this 2 minute potentially for, because we got this 5 minute close down here that I kind of liked, but then we immediately reclaimed it. So this is just a rangy type of day. So yeah, I mean, look at the 5 minute, look at the 3 minute, look at the 2 minute. This is ugly price action. So I'm gonna come back in the afternoon. Gotta go to class anyway. We will. What does that say? Loan officer survey? What the fuck is this? I don't know what the hell that is. Um, I'm gonna see you guys later. No trades for me. 1 billion. No trades for me yet. We did disrespect the hourly. Tap back into it. Straight green candles up. Oh my Lanta. Alright, I'm gonna see you guys later. All right, everybody. I can hear anything. Here we go. How we doing, Dad? How we doing? Whoop whoop. I have to study for that exam. I'm at a loss. What am I doing here? Holy shit, this trade idea worked. Too bad I wasn't on the chart looking at it. I was doing my homework. Um, you see, chat? You see how nice I am if you held this? Anyway, I didn't take any trades today. The market was kind of funky. We were slowly moving up this whole day without really giving me any type of entry. I'm not gonna lie. Even on the 1 minute, this is very choppy and messy and just slow climb up. And then all of a sudden, at 3 o'clock, we just kind of shit the bed. But I was doing homework, I guess, for the past hour. It's been an hour. Holy shit. Um, so I didn't look at this move down, but this was what I was trying to see this whole time. Wow. Anyway, so slow climb up to like, we filled in that hourly completely. Uh, we came up over here. So, um, and then we came, dude, this is, I saw this. I came back right here at 305. Right here. And I was watching price. I was watching. I was like, we have a little imbalance here. I'm like, I wonder, I'm like, you could probably short out of this little imbalance. And if you did, you banked, and your stops was relatively like tight, like close. Like I could have went in with 10 cons here probably. Oh no, that's way too much. I'll probably do like seven. Like seven ish. First TP was here, so calm little 33 points, and then maybe this fair value gap, and then down there, and then honestly maybe you could hold it for lower, but I missed it. That's fine. I'm actually upset. That was a nice trade. I was doing homework. What are you gonna do? I don't even really trade the last hour anyway, so besides that short right there, I don't really like anything. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. School is over. I have no more classes, so I have to do this presentation today, and I gotta study for 2 exams. I have 2 exams to study for. But the point of what I'm saying is I could really, I don't want to say focus on trading because I kind of been focusing on it way too much anyway, even with school. But I don't have to leave anymore during like 10:30 ish, 10:40 on Tuesdays and on Mondays and Wednesdays anymore. So what I'm trying to say is I'll be able to sit down here and really, look at price from the whole morning. So anyway, so no trades for me today, not even on the combine or anything. Um, this combine it's at like a couple $100 in profit. Uh, dude, I'm really upset about this fucking short. This was a nice trade. What are you gonna do? Anyway, so I'm gonna see you guys uh tomorrow and later today. I'm gonna do this fucking back testing thing from April 17th to whenever. I haven't fucking lost a trade. Anyway, so if you guys took a trade, let me know what you took down below in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe, baby.